Hey, hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can actually message someone on Roblox without being their friend. Now it's a very easy process. I'm going to show you step by step, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up Roblox on Roblox, the website or the Roblox player. Now from there you sign in and you go to their profile. Now I'm going to go to a random John. Let's find some player where we can send a message to. Now let's do this cow. Simply open up their profile, and as you can see, the message board is the message button is grayed out. We can't send a message, but what we can do, we can scroll down till we find the groups. Now let's find a group where there's not a lot of members in. Let me find it. This one, for example, only 2,500 players. Here we're going to open up the group, and here we want to join the group, because what we're going to do next, it's very interesting. We're going to John, we're going to copy their username right here, copy it, go back to the group where you just joined, and from out here we're going to the wall. Now what you can do is you can paste his name right here, put a spacebar in between and say hi John. Now what this will do, if I post this, John will actually get a message on his Roblox account that someone messaged him through the wall in the group. Now from there you can direct message them and send a message without being friends. Now it's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.